Come here. What you doing? Getting that water drip. She's like, what are you doing?
She says, you're messing me up. Can't play my drippy game.
Shadow.
Hot shadow.
I mean, turtle. She's even purring too.
She usually starts purring before she even starts playing.
That's so weird. Mom pet her butt again.
Record her doing that chewing thing.
Alright, now let her play.
Wait.
She's like, why are you watching?
Man, she does this crunching thing where she goes crunch, crunch, crunch. Do we chat?
She does not like all this attention. Totally boo.
And then sometimes I'll come in
Turd bird.
and she's in a trance. She's like,
That's weird. She's weird.
stop. Nobody enjoys it.
Did you hear that bug?
It's a fly. He was down in the kitchen earlier.
Say bye, camera.